About the parameter setting and the connection diagram of this card. In this video I will tell all the functionality of this card. As you see the display is dim. This is in sleep mode, and as you put the weight on this, display will get brighter, and after some time it will get fade. Now I told all the parameters. First of all, NF0 means piece counting mode. Right, now switch on the machine. Put some weight pieces on this is 600 grams, and if you put mode button, then pieces is 500. You want to edit this 500 pieces, then press key 3, display shows count, then enter pieces, enter, and here if I want to enter 600 pieces or 550 pieces, and enter. This is pieces P 550, pieces number 550, and mode button, this is weight, this is pieces. In this way you can check piece mode of this card, and also this calibration will be memorized in the card. After second is NF is 1, if 1 is M plus mode. Put some weight and press key 3, memory number 1, total is 600. After that this is not M plus will not work. After 0 check, if you put weight and press M plus, then memory 2, total 1200. To check total weight, press key, mode key, total. If you want to clear in running mode, long press M plus mode, and M clear means memory is clear. This is the M plus mode. Third is liter mode. In liter mode, if you put NF equal to, then it will come in liter mode, and parameter of LITD will open in the last. This is 500. I put 500, so weight will be doubled. L1 means L will show, and 0 means L will not show. This is 600. If I press key 4, is 1200, 600, 1200. This is the liter mode. After that, third is hold mode. NF equal to 3, enter. Put some weight and press mode. Dot will glow for hold mode. If I put some weight on this, it will not disturb the weight. But if more weight is there, then it will disturb and show the actual weight. This is the hold mode. After that, NF is completed. Then this means 0 means continuous weight, 1 means single 0, 2 means running dot, 3 means battery condition, 4 means faded display. 232 different type of 5 different type of strings you can get from serial output. Speed is 0 means slow speed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means maximum speed. In 0 mode or 1 mode, you can use this card in crane scale. I check you after putting 1. ALC, as I also show you in also tell you in previous video, this 1 means it will not show the weight up to auto 0 value, auto 0 tracking value. If 0, then weight will be show, and then 0 the weight. Auto 0 tracking is self-explanatory. Capacity 1. For this is the first capacity. If I am for checking, I am putting 000 here. Decimal point DP4. Decimal point first up to first capacity. Accuracy up to first capacity. Capacity 2. Second capacity. Decimal point up to second capacity. FD accuracy up to second capacity. This is capacity 3. I am putting it 5 kg to show how overload will show. This is decimal point third, and value is 1. If I press the weight, this you see that it is very slowly moving, very slowly, because I have put parameters in speed is 1. This one, this will show you after 5 kg. If I put the speed here 5, then it will run like a boom this way. This is the speed parameter. In this way you can select different type of weight. One more thing, this is a tail gross. Put some weight and zero it. This is net gross. This is tail weight. This is 0. After that I put some weight on this, and this will show gross weight, net weight, gross weight. This is the net gross weight. After this I will show you help parameter. Help password is 7777. Change pass. This password will go in calibration and also in parameter setting. If 00, then no password will be there. Firm name, if 00, no firm name is there. If I want to put some name here, this is up, this is down, reverse. And if I say, you can say that I want to put here apple A. If I go above, then I can also minus it. L. And here I put blank. This is step 2. Second 6 digits of this I put it blank. Then cap D. This is the number of switches, number of time of switch at which weighing scale will show error. I will see you. I put it 2 here. This is baud rate. Baud rate is you can also change the baud rate of this card. 0 means 300, 1 means 1200, 2 means 2400, 3 means 9600, 4800, 4 means 9600, 5 means 19,200. Hold. If you put 1 in here, then weighing scale will act as a baby weighing scale or as a personal weighing scale. This you see that it will show now apple, and then this is 600 grams. This is the complete things which you can do from this card. Also, this is low battery. This will not work in this card because we have already similarized it. We have already refined the low battery in this card very nicely. And then with this I complete this card parameters, and I will came to you if we again set some more parameters, then I will again came to you with some new features. Thank you.